Hello everyone. I'm so happy and excited to interact you about communication skills. First of all, I would like to congratulate you. You are the one who is going to become the dynamic communicator. Yes, my friend. So first of all, let us understand what is communication. Communication is a two-way process where one person who is speaker, that person we call sender, and another, the person who is a listener, we can call it receiver. So when any conversation going to take place, both person must connect to each other. When you are speaking, next person listen it carefully. When others are listening, you must communicate so effectively. So in that way, communication take place, as it is an exchange of ideas, thoughts, feelings, where we can communicate any message directly, face to face, or with the help of tools, that is telephone or video call, text messages. In various forms we can communicate to each other. That's why communication plays a very vital role in terms of your growth. So how many are there? They are serious about their communication skills. Yes, I know you are the one who is serious about communication growth. Right, my friend? So there will be mixed question. Why communication skill is important? As we are in this modern technology and 21st century generation, every person is focusing on their growth. So communication in school life as well as college life, it is really crucial one. To make friends and influence them, of course communication is very important one. To get grades with the help of your professor, if you communicate with them and seek guidance from them so effectively, so definitely you can score more. Apart from that, if you would like to go for any interview, so in that case, because of your communication and confidence, you can crack any kind of interview. So what matters a lot, guys, in communication? Yes, your facial expressions, voice modulation, your body language. These kind of things are so crucial. And when you maintain eye contact with each other, so at that moment, definitely that person will come to know you are the right candidate for that job. So what are you waiting for that? Start to work on your communication skills. Isn't it, guys? So most of the people, they wonder why some people are most successful and why some people are failure. There are reasons, guys. When they are in school or college life, they focus on their personal grooming. Yes, it includes their presentation skills, their communication skills, their stage courage, confidence building, all kind of things they work on it, and due to that reason only, each and every individual they come in their contact feel more confident and energetic. So it will create healthy bonding with each other, guys. So you can crack any interview, you can influence to anyone, as well as you can connect all around the globe personalities. That's why these personalities, they reach at top, and those people, they lagged or they didn't listen to their seniors or their professors, they move back. So where you'd like to see yourself, in top rank category or in backlog category? Choice is yours, guys. So what are you waiting for that? Just go ahead and take advantage of this communication skills course. Yes, we are solution providers. I am Sir Nagesh Jondhale, international language trainer, Amazon bestseller author, career counselor, and success expert. Recently, I have done world record, so I got the world record holder tag also. And definitely, with the help of the Dynamic Communicator book, you will be able to become the dynamic communicator. So would you like to take our help, guys? Yes, I know you are the one who is going to rock with the help of our course. So let's move ahead and take action. Your action is very important one. Why? Because 97% people, they think and they wait for the perfection, and only 3% people, they take action and move ahead. So where you'd like to see? In that 97% category, those are waiting for their turn, or in that 3% category where they are moving ahead and grabbing this opportunity which are going to provide by our IE center. Why we are doing this? Yes, because it is our mission to empower youth to build powerful nation. So let's meet in our live program, and for that you may contact to our coordinator. Thank you.